Everyone, my name is Nelson Silva. I am with Routerly.net. Today I'm going to create a video about adding a new customer. This is something that I've been working on for about a year, which is Routerly. I'm very excited to introduce it to you guys, and I'm doing a bunch of videos to help you, you start using the app. This is what I use for my swimming pool company. I'm currently out of Florida. I maintain about 600 pools on a weekly basis. So today I'm going to do my first video regarding a new lead or a new customer. Anyway, very simple way to add a customer. It can be added from multiple screens. You can add it from here. You can add it from here. Or you can actually go into the customer tab. So today I'm going to just add a simple customer to show you guys how simple it is. So I was in the dashboard where this is your home base where everything starts. This is where anything that you do in this software, you always going to start from the home base. This is your home base. So the first thing is we're going to add a customer or a lead. They're both the same thing in the adding. The reason why I say that, a customer for me in the Routerly app is a customer that has a recurring work order. So if I add a customer or a lead, they're the same thing for now. Why? Because I separate recurring work orders from regular leads. So if a customer just calls you and you just do one single pump repair, he's not a customer. He's a lead in the way we have it in the software. Why? Because I want to separate recurring customers. Because I'm on a weekly basis. I do about 590, 600 customers. I want to separate them, this way. So I believe most of the pool guys out there have recurring customers, and we want to make sure that our numbers are growing instead of decreasing. So adding a customer is extremely easy. Just click that button on the top of customers, and it's going to pop out a new screen. Every time you see this red icon here, that means it's required. So if you notice, there's the whitish blue button. It's not active for me to click, so I've been trying to click here and it's not allowing me to. I can actually click cancel, but not here. Why? Because not all the fields are filled in. So it's not a recurring customer. So let's just pretend that Tom Brady called asking for pool service. So I ask him, what's your name? He's going to say Tom Brady. What's your phone number? I'm going to do 561 674 6908, just a random number. Email, I'm going to put info@mastertouchpools.com. Source, where did this customer find you? Was it on Google, Angie's List, Google AdSense, or you imported from QuickBooks? I'm just going to choose website. Why is this very important? This is going to be able to track where your leads are coming from. Later on, I'll go over how to generate a report on where your leads are coming from. So if you have a different source that may be a mailer or I don't know, Nextdoor or Home Advisor, or whatever you have that you don't have it here, you can actually create it from this icon here. So I created, I select the website. Terms, how do you like this customer to get a bill? Meaning on the bill, do you give him 30 days? How do you build them? I like to do on receipt, and the day I choose to send my bills are the first. You can actually choose whatever you want. Some customers bill on the 15th. I like to bill them in the first of every month. How do you want them to receive those invoices? You can choose email or print, or you can actually choose both. I'm just going to leave it email. Received updates. how do you like them to receive these updates about anything that has been done to that customer? Maybe a work order, maybe a repair. I'm just gonna leave it on the email settings. But do you guys notice that this gray button right here still, this blue button still grayish or whitish? The moment I click send it to QuickBooks No, it becomes blue. Why? It's because now I'm able to click it. Once I click, it brings me to a different screen. Now we're adding a property to Mr. Tom Brady. I don't know if you guys can also notice, but this is also a menu. If you notice on the bottom of my screen, there's a link to it. So this is also a menu that can help you navigate through the software. So is it a residential? Is it a commercial? I'm gonna say it's a residential. And I'm just gonna type any address here, 7766 Northwest, and I'm just gonna pick a random house here, Coral Springs. I don't know if you guys noticed, but while I start typing, new addresses start giving me from Google. So I'm just gonna type an address that I know by heart, like Seabass. See, by the time I start Seabass, he already knows that it's typing. So I'm gonna go 4321 Northwest. I used to have a property on 4th Ave in Pompano. Boom. It's actually considered now Deerfield, but anyway. So whatever I start typing here, Google kind of grabs the information. This will prevent you from typing a bad zip code or etc. and also gets a geolocation. Once I click that, I can actually get the Zillow estimate about that property, which is extremely interesting. So Zillow estimates that this property is worth $353. So if I grab here and I click here, this used to be my old house, 394. So it's very very similar on the price. Actually, this one is not. Why? I'm not sure, but it should have been. Interesting. Let me go Zillow.com. Oh, here it is. This is Zillow estimate 353. We got it. All right. Anyway, next, is there a gate code? If there's a gate code, you're never gonna get a call from your employees asking what's the gate code, or if you're a sole man operation, you're not gonna have to look through your notes anymore to find out what the gate code is. So pound 4455. Does it have dogs? This is extremely important. You don't want your employees or yourself getting bit by a dog. So when the customer calls, these are crucial information that you want to grab from them. Does it have dogs? Yes, I'm going to say it does. Bodies of water. Is it a pool? Is it a pool and spa? Pond. So let's say some of you guys maintain a pond. You got to make sure you click the add button. And let's say you made a mistake. You can just click X and it will X it out. Okay. You see how it's still grayish, whitish over here? The moment I press yes, it automatically becomes available. Why? It's just because it was missing some information. So if you're not able to add a customer, it's due to the fact that you're missing an information or something is wrong. Every customer that you add into Routerly, if you synchronize your data with QuickBooks, it will automatically sync it back to QuickBooks. So thank you for watching. This is another video from Routerly. I hope you guys are enjoying. Thank you so much. There we go. Bye guys. Thank you.